Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is 去. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读去. Pay attention, here is not, wu is. Yu with ji, qi, and xi. When we match together, they will become no doubt. So, ji, qu, and shu. So, this one is qi, yu, qu, and first time. Qu. Read after me. Qu. Very good. Now, let's write it together. 我们一起来写一下。横、竖、横、撇折、点。去。去 means go. This go is according to the speaker, far leaving the speaker. So we say go to shop. 去商店 because I'm not in a shop now. Go to school. Because I'm not in school, so I say go to school. 去学校. Can you tell me where will you go for dinner? Comment below. 下方评论区告诉我你会去哪里吃晚饭呢？ Okay, let's all. See you next time. Bye bye.